Hey guys, want to delete stickers from your iPhone? Here is the easiest and fastest way to do it. Open the Messages app and open any conversation, or start a new one. Now you have two ways to find your stickers. First, tap the emoji icon in the bottom left corner. Here you'll see your recently used emojis. Right next to them, you'll find the stickers icon. Tap it, and here are the stickers you have created. To delete one, simply tap and hold the sticker for about 1 second, then release it. Now tap Delete, and that sticker is gone. But let me show you another way to find your stickers more easily, especially if they look too small here. Tap the plus icon next to the typing bar, then tap Stickers. And here we go. Your stickers are now larger and much easier to select. Again, simply tap and hold a sticker for about 1 second, release it, and tap Delete. Just make sure you don't tap the sticker once, because that will add it to the typing bar so you can send it. And that's it. As far as the built-in sticker options go, this is the way to delete stickers on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family.